Okay, Assalamualaikum to all of you. So I would like to thank all of you because come to our meeting today. So before that, Secretary, may I know is there any apologize for absent?
Okay, so Mr. Chairman, for today there are no apologies of absence. Everyone managed to come for our meeting today.
Okay, that's good. So I assume that every one of you has read the previous minutes. And may I know is there any amendment or correction on the previous minutes?
Okay, I have correction for the previous minutes of the meeting. Well, the correction is in terms of spelling
Tolonglah
error on
diam
my
Sai.
name. My name is Nur Atira Izati. The Izati should be IZZATY, but it is IZZATI in the minutes.
Okay, so Secretary, please take note about that.
Okay, may I repeat? IZZATY. Izati.
Yes,
Is it correct? Okay,
yes.
thank you.
Before that, can someone propose the minutes to be passed as a true records?
Okay, I propose the minutes to be passed as a true record.
And I second the motion.
Okay, good. Harid and Jana. So I want to ask, is there any matter arising referred to unsettled matter discussed in our previous meeting?
No.
No.
Alright. So this is let's start with our meeting with the purpose of this meeting, which is we are going to do a SOC presentation. As we all know that our group is juniors, right? Juniors is youth. So we are talking about youth, right, in education. So uh, may I know, is there any suggestion among all of you to make our presentation become more interesting? How about we start with La?
Okay. As for me, I will do about social awareness initiative for the group. Okay, in the social awareness initiative, I will talk about posters and flyers that we already give it to people, and we already paste some of the posters and flyers at the cafeteria of College Professional Marasuri Iskandar. Okay. In the poster and flyers, we talk about education. As we all know, one of the youth rights that is crucial right now is education. Okay, so what we talk in the flyers? So in the flyers, we talk about the importance of education to the youth. Okay, like it can give a better job opportunities to them and whatnot. And then we also talk about what we can do to help all the youth to get a better education. For example, government must give a free higher education to all people without exception. This is because poor people, it is hard for them to get a better education nowadays. So government must take initiative to help them because they also have a potential to become a good people and can change their family from poor to a better standard. Okay, so that's all.
Okay lah. So a little bit question. I want to ask you about the flyers, right?
Okay.
Mm, When you spread out the flyers, is there any positive impact to the student? Like they respond to our flyers, like they say that this flyer is good, this flyer is benefit. Is there
Yes.
any such as positive impact?
Yes, I get like many positive feedbacks from the people that receive the flyers. One of them say that it is make them realize that how important education, higher education to all people, not just a mere education, but all people deserve a higher education, which is all people at least must get diploma or degree when they are studying in order to get a better job for them. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. So how about we move on to Ain? Ain?
Uh, uh, yeah, can you guys hear me? Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
Yes,
We can
yes.
hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, start to talk right now, which is social awareness initiative. I will talk about PSA and the newsletter.
Hello.
Hello,
Ain,
I think there's a
you there?
technical problem with Ain.
Okay, so
Um.
okay.
Just that.
So
Next person.
we
The PSA
Oh, okay.
will be like two members of our groups. We will interview two pers 2% of our senior, um, which is they have done their internships for last semester, and even after the journey that they. You guys hear me?
Yes, yes, Ain.
yes.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes,
Yes.
We
Loud,
guys.
hear you.
loud and
Yes,
clear, loud and clear.
Ain. We can hear you.
Okay, that's all from you, Ain.
Ain? Is that all, Ain?
I think that is all from Ain. So how about we move on to Alni?
Okay, hi.
Uh,
So
okay. For uh, newsletter, uh,
um,
Ain. Ain, can you hear me?
some technical problem
Ain.
going on right now.
Ain, if you can hear me, can you please respond?
it is about voting age in Malaysia, which is our voting age. We have different before this, which is last meeting. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, Ain.
Yes, we can hear
Can
you.
you hear us?
Loud and
That's
clear.
all from you.
Ain, can you hear us?
Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. We all can hear you, Ain.
Yes, I can hear you guys. Okay, should I start again?
Okay, you
Okay.
should. All right. Just start again.
Okay, we gonna talk about I gonna talk about social awareness initiative, which is we're gonna talk about the two things, which is PSA and newsletter. For the PSA, we're gonna ask two of our senior that have done our that book because he published and then newsletter. We in the newsletter it is about voting age in Malaysia. Currently, that our country just changed our voting age become lower, same as a few country such as UK and others. So that
Okay, Ain.
Before that,
So
I recommend that maybe for our next meeting, we can ask Ain to talk about our current meeting right
for
now.
me. Any else might want to ask me?
Alright.
No. Thanks, Ain.
Okay.
Okay. That's a good point.
Okay.
Sorry, Harid. So, let's move on to Alni.
Okay, hi. So I'm going to talk about social media campaigns. So I'm going to add information about PASA as I said earlier about we decided to interview senior. And the reason for we interview the senior about the PSA, we do this kind of PSA is because we can give information about intern to all the EC students. As we all know that the EC students have intern after they have finished their studies. So that's the first thing that I'm going to talk. And the second thing is about weekly posting. So for weekly posting, we post about information about youth right, such as for voting age, about how law about youth right, and we also post about our poster flyers. And as Lah and I said earlier about their poster and flyers, they are they are so the poster and flyers we are posting it to our IG, which is Junior's Rights. And lastly is about the contest giveaway. We do a crossword puzzle and we do the giveaway for about 1 week and we decided to choose two winner for this contest. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, Alni, that's good. So, let's move on to Nick.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Okay, as for me, I have conducted social experiments. Okay, how I have done the social experiment is by doing recording, doing videos, and the participants are from KPMSI students, which is random students. In the video, there are two situations. Okay, the first situation is uh, the students who go for internship and didn't receive any allowance, which results in negative feedbacks from the participants. Okay, so for the second video, the second situation, it is about the students who go for internship and manage to get allowance. So that one, it received positive feedbacks from the students as they think even students who go for internship, they need to get money. Okay, so how we can make this our project even more interesting is I think for social experiment, we can try to find participants from other universities. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
That's a good point, Nick. So, let's move on to Harid.
Okay. So for me, it's from the legacy project, which is for the booth. We managed to collect around 400 ringgits for booth, and we get the money by selling foods and drinks from our from we joining the hunting nights and the bazaar malam at KPMSI. So we use the money that we collected from the events and we use it for the boots. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, how about Afiq?
In this legacy project, in the fundraising, we managed to get RM 800 ringgit for our fundraising. Each person managed to get RM 100 ringgit by selling things such as high pill, backpack, Aina serum, headphone, tripod, power bank, port charger and others. So that's all from me.
Oh, that's a good work from you, Afiq. And last, how about we move to Jannah?
So I am responsible in our financial and now I will update all of you our outgoing financial. So as we all know, I collected 10 ringgit each person since this early January until up now. So we managed to sell nasi chicken in the early month of February, and then we managed to get around 100 by selling all those nasi, and then we had also had a hunting night where we sold ice chocolate for 3 days in a row, and we managed to get around 120 ringgit by selling those ice chocolate. Okay, so the total of our current money that we managed to save is 400, and it will be used on our exhibition day for our booth. Okay, I think that is all from me for our financial update.
Okay, so I would like to thank all of you for this good suggestion. So I hope that our SOC presentation will become more interesting. And then I want to ask all of you, is there any matters or complaints that are not related to our business?
No,
Oh,
No.
Yes.
everything is good.
Alright, so we are already in the end of our meeting.
I have a question.
Yes lah.
I have a suggestion. What about we make like a uniform for our group to make our group is more synchronized and interesting. And also, I think that we should do IG live for our presentation so that many people can watch our presentation about youth right.
Okay, that's good. But still, when we doing the presentation, we make people reach us and interesting. So, all of you meeting, which is you is in this room. So the time as usual, 9 p.m. And also, uh, please be ready 10 minutes earlier before the time. And I think that's all from me. So I would like to thank all of you again for coming to this meeting.
I have a question.
Yes lah.
What is the exact date for the next meeting?
Oh, I'm sorry about that. So the exact date of the next meeting is 16 May
Okay.
2020. Right. So I think that's all from us. So thank you again for coming and have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.
Okay.